Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2014 Cadillac CTS Coupe Performance Collection all-wheel drive, stock number Z9523A. Only 36,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold the CTS brand new, phantom gray metallic in color. CTS seats 4, leather interior, tilt and power sliding front seats make it easy to get to the second row that seats 2. Not only low miles but very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, backup camera, rear parking sensors, nice sized trunk, wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This performance collection has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 36,000 miles. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy to operate radio and CD player. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats, automatic transmission, lots of storage space in the armrest, USB and auxiliary input, allows you to connect media devices. Spacious glove box with the owner's manual inside. Overhead auto dimming mirror, and that's where the backup camera display is. Home link transmitter for garage door opener, power moonroof, and power sunshade control. Under the hood, the CTS has a direct injection 3.6 liter V6, 318 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 18 miles to the gallon and a city average of 26 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this CTS, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.